Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be discussing flaxseed gel. In our previous video in seed versus flaxseed, we discussed seed, but in this video we're going to be looking at flaxseed. I got this at the market for 1,000 naira, then measured it out and then found out that 1,000 naira of flaxseed gel is actually 1/4 cup. But in this video we're going to be using 1/8, like half of it, in order to make this video. So the next thing is that we're going to the fire. So yes, you want to get a boiling pot of water, sorry. Then we pour in our flaxseed gel, and then I added in rosemary gel for a better touch. I'm using 1/8 cup of flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, and a cup of water. You want to boil it on a low heat and make it simmer, and as you're boiling you want to make sure you stir it so it doesn't get burnt. You have to stir in order to keep the consistency. I boiled this rosemary flaxseed gel for about 5 to 7 minutes. 7 minutes actually, because the thicker you want it, the more you have to boil. Like the longer you boil, the thicker it gets. Get me? So yes, I boiled it for about 7 minutes, and after that we moved on to the next phase. After boiling, you want to sieve the flaxseed gel immediately. I poured it into a cool container first because it was so hot, and then transferred into the wee cup which I normally use to strain, and then strain the gel. This process was very difficult because the gel was still very hot, and like squeezing it out is like putting your hand directly into the fire. So yes, I had to squeeze the gel out by separating the gel from the seed. By doing this, we're able to make a very thick flaxseed gel. In the long run, I would just like to bring to your notice that if you don't want it this thick, you can always double your cup of water. You can always add more. You can actually flex your ingredients or your water in order to get the consistency that you want. Me, I wanted a very thick consistency, a very very thick one, because I was thinking of making a gel out of it, like hair gel. But yes, this is 1 cup of water that is transformed into gel. It's so thick that when I had wanted to apply, I just had to hydrate the hair first with water before going in with the gel, if you know what I mean. So yes, this is how you make flaxseed gel. In our next or upcoming video, we're going to be looking at the comparison between seed gel and flaxseed gel, which is actually better for your hair. Please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.